Hello everyone, do you want to know how to set this style for your worship on keyboard, this very style? Yeah. So in this very tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to set this very style for your worship on keyboard. I got a request from one of my subscribers. They want to know how I set it up. So in this very tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. It's very simple. So guys, my name is Vidal Keys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of being here, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So first off, if you want to set it, the name of the beat is 16 beat, I think. So this is PSR-E 463, Yamaha PSR-E 463 keyboard. So I will call out the beat so that in other keyboards you can get it. So to do that, you click on your style, which is here. Click on your style, then you find, okay, it's already here, the 16 bits. It's on 022. You see, if you click on style, you go to 022. I want to take it to 1, then go to 022. You can use this very knob sign, this plus, to go up and to go down. So you find 022. You see, 16 bits. Alternatively, you can just type the number 022. You get there. This is the beat that I'm using for this. So another thing you have to set is your tempo. You can set the tempo to any number you like, you wish. To set the tempo, you just click on tempo here. You see, it's on 80, which is normal for worship. You can increase it or decrease it. To increase it, you also click on this plus sign, this very plus sign here. You see, you can increase, it's increasing. So let's start from 050 so that you see the tempo first. To activate it, you click on start here. Once you click here, once it will start. You see, the tempo is on 50. So see 60, 70, you see, 80. So this is fast worship. So 50 is preferable for worship. You see, you can then play. Hope you understand what I did here. If you want to set it, if you click on your style, you click on style, to now show you the beats. You select 16 bits. Let me take the camera a bit closer. 16 bits, 022. You understand? Then you click on tempo here. Yeah. Then you select the tempo you want it to be on. To increase it, you click on this plus sign here. You understand? To decrease it, the minus. You see, that's just it. Once you set it, you now come to plus here and activate it. So another thing I want to teach you guys about this very style here is if you want the drum roll. You understand? If you want the drum roll, you can use this main auto fill. See how it works. You see? If you click it once, it has the main B and the main A. If you click it once, it goes to main, it will be on that main B. You click it another time, you switch to main A. Let me explain something here. If you click it once, it will stay on that main B. If you're on main B, if you click it another time, it will switch to main A. That is the role that it will give you. So if you want it to remain on that either A or B, you click it twice, bam, bam. To now roll that same rolling, because it's different rows for your B and your A. Let me show you. Let me click it 2 times now. You see, it's still on A. But if I click it once, it will go to B. You see? So it's now on B. If you want it to remain on this B, you click twice. You'll be very fast. Hope you understand what I just say. If you want it to remain on A, you click it twice. If you want it to go to B, you click it once. If it's on B, if you want it to remain on B, you click it twice. You understand? If you want it to go to A, you click it once. To now, because it's different rows. To now switch to B. So this is the main B row. This is the main A row. If you prefer this row of this main A, you will double tap on it. This main auto view, you double tap on it. Hope you understand it now. Yeah. So this is how to set up this beat. Remember, always use your tempo. If you're playing in the church, you want it not to be that fast, you just use your tempo here. You tap on the tempo. You can reduce it even to the lowest, because some people don't know the work of this tempo, the main feel, and this very start button, start and stop. You see, you can then increase it from here, from this plus sign. You can also use this knob sign for easier this thing. Yes, you see, you can use it to decrease and increase. It's very easy. If your people have this, you see how it's doing. See? So that's it. I hope you guys understand what I just taught you. So this is how to set your style. Set up your style for worship on keyboard. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this very content. Thank you guys. I remain Gidokis.